Again. King. Okay. Thank you so much, grade 10. Now let's proceed to the grade 9 students. Grade 9. King. Again. King. Thank you. How about the grade 8? Kings. Again. Kings. Hinayo. Diba? Kings. Thank you, grade 8. Now let's proceed to the grade 7 students. Kings. Ayun. Again, Kings. Thank you so much for that energy, grade 7. Okay, very good, grade 7. How about the grade 6 pupils? Kings. Isa pa, Kings. Thank you, grade 6 pupils. Now let's proceed to the grade 5. Where are the grade 5 pupils? Okay, grade 5. Kings. Again, Kings. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, let's proceed to grade 4. Grade 4, Kings. Wait pa ma'am. Liwat. Dapat tunugan. Grade 4, Kings. Tunugan. Kings. Singgit nila. Kings. Thank you so much, grade 4. Now let's proceed to the grade 3 pupils. Where are the grade 3? Please raise your hand. Okay. Grade 3 pupils. Kings. Again, Kings. Thank you. And the grade 2 students. Kings. Saka, Kings. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, grade 2 pupils. Let's proceed to the grade 1 pupil. Grade 1, Kings. Again, Kings. Thank you so much. And the Kinder 2 students, are you there? Kinder 2. Shout hi, Aray. Hi. So, Kinder 2 students. Kings. Shout, Kings. Cute sila. Again, thank you so much, K2. Again, junior high school, starting from grade 7 to 10. Give your all energy, grade 7 to 10. Kings. Our English energy. Again, Kings. How about the elementary and preschool learners? Are you all